Hey, what's going on, guys? ALMOND, aka Aaron, checking back in with a protein shake recipe. We got a serving size of 2 people, 305 calories each. Ingredients: you want to get some vanilla protein. This protein sucks, but it's all I have. You want to use some nut butter, avocado, almond milk, yogurt, cup of almond milk. You could use cashew milk, whatever, any kind of milk you want. Put the protein in. I put a scoop and a half of this protein. It's casein, but you could use any kind. The yogurt I put in, it's not low fat or nothing, but whatever. It makes it nice and consistent. Blend it up, and yeah, consistency is really nice. It's like an ice cream shake. Enjoy. Peace.